Looking for the best air fryer to make crispy, delicious meals with less oil? In this video, we're counting down the 10 best air fryers you can buy in 2026, from budget-friendly favorites to premium models packed with smart features. Stay until the end to see our top overall pick. If you enjoy product reviews and buying guides like this, subscribe to PickNest. Product links are in the description below. Now, let's start the countdown. At number 10, Philips Air Fryer 3000 Series. Cooking delicious meals at home doesn't have to be complicated. The Philips Air Fryer 3000 Series features a spacious 6.5-quart basket and Rapid Air Plus technology to deliver crispy, evenly cooked food with up to 90% less fat. The built-in viewing window lets you check on your food without interrupting the cooking process, while the intuitive touchscreen and 16 cooking functions make everything from fries to roasted vegetables incredibly simple. Easy to clean and energy efficient, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable everyday air fryer. Coming in at number 9, Chefman Crispinator. If crispy results are your top priority, the Chefman Crispinator 8QT is built to impress. Powered by TurboFry Pro technology and temperatures reaching up to 450 degrees, it cooks food faster while delivering an evenly crisp finish. The generous 8-quart capacity is perfect for family meals, and the large viewing window lets you monitor your food without opening the basket and losing heat. With 6 versatile cooking functions, an easy-to-use touchscreen, and a durable non-stick ceramic-coated basket, the Crispinator combines convenience, performance, and excellent value in one stylish appliance. At number 8, Chefman TurboFry Touch. Don't let the simple design fool you. The Chefman TurboFry Touch delivers impressive performance at a price that's hard to beat. Its spacious cooking basket gives you plenty of room for fries, chicken wings, vegetables, and more, while rapid hot air circulation creates crispy results with significantly less oil. The easy-to-use digital touchscreen features convenient cooking presets that take the guesswork out of meal preparation. Cleanup is equally simple thanks to the non-stick basket and dishwasher-safe components. For anyone seeking an affordable and dependable air fryer, the TurboFry Touch is a strong contender. Taking the number 7 spot, Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL. Need more cooking space without sacrificing countertop real estate? The Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL strikes an excellent balance between size, speed, and performance. Its large basket easily handles family-sized portions, while Max Crisp technology helps deliver golden, crispy results in less time. Whether you're cooking frozen foods, vegetables, chicken, or leftovers, this air fryer consistently produces even results with minimal effort. Multiple cooking functions add versatility, and the straightforward controls make operation incredibly simple. As we move higher up the list, you'll start seeing features that push air frying to the next level. At number 6, Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This is where things start getting serious. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is much more than a traditional air fryer. Combining the functionality of several kitchen appliances into one premium package, it can air fry, roast, bake, toast, dehydrate, and much more. Its spacious interior can handle everything from small snacks to full family meals, while advanced heating elements help ensure consistent cooking performance across every rack position. The premium construction, intuitive controls, and exceptional versatility make this an outstanding choice for anyone looking to upgrade their entire cooking experience. Halfway through at number 5, Dreo ChefMaker Combi Fryer. If you're someone who wants restaurant-quality results with almost no effort, the Dreo ChefMaker is in a league of its own. Instead of simply blasting food with hot air, it combines precision cooking with intelligent temperature control to deliver crispy exteriors while keeping the inside tender and juicy. Smart cooking programs automatically adjust settings throughout the cooking process, helping eliminate the guesswork from preparing steaks, chicken, seafood, and more. With its modern touchscreen interface, premium design, and consistently impressive performance, the ChefMaker is one of the smartest air fryers available today. Breaking into the top 4, Instant Vortex Plus ClearCook. The Instant Vortex Plus ClearCook proves that convenience can make a big difference in everyday cooking. Its built-in viewing window and interior light let you check your food without opening the basket, helping maintain consistent temperatures for better results. Even Crisp technology delivers the crunchy texture everyone loves while using far less oil than traditional frying. Multiple one-touch cooking programs make preparing fries, chicken, vegetables, and frozen snacks incredibly simple. Reliable performance, fast cooking times, and easy cleanup make this one of the best all-around air fryers in its class. Now we're in the top 3 with the COSORI TurboBlaze 6QT. Now we're entering premium territory. The COSORI TurboBlaze 6QT stands out with its powerful DC motor and advanced airflow system, delivering faster cooking and exceptionally even results. Whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, or reheating, it consistently produces crispy, flavorful meals with very little effort. The spacious 6-quart basket is ideal for families, while the intuitive digital controls and multiple preset functions make cooking quick and stress-free. If you're looking for an air fryer that combines speed, versatility, and consistently outstanding performance, the TurboBlaze easily earns its place among the top 3. Runner-up at number 2, Ninja Foodi DZ302. Want the flexibility to cook 2 different meals at the same time? The Ninja Foodi DZ302 makes it effortless with its dual-zone technology and 2 independent cooking baskets. Whether you're preparing crispy fries alongside juicy chicken or cooking separate dishes with different temperatures and cooking times, Smart Finish ensures everything is ready together, while Match Cook lets you copy settings across both baskets with a single touch. With 6 versatile cooking functions, temperatures up to 450 degrees, and a spacious 10-quart capacity, it's perfect for families, meal prep, and busy weeknights. Combining speed, convenience, and consistently delicious results, the Ninja Foodi DZ302 easily earns the number 2 spot on our list. Taking the top spot is the Ninja DoubleStack XL, an air fryer that completely rethinks how to maximize cooking space without taking over your countertop. Its innovative double-stack design lets you cook multiple layers of food at once, giving you exceptional capacity while maintaining a compact footprint. Powerful airflow delivers crispy, evenly cooked results across every level, making it perfect for family dinners, meal prep, or entertaining guests. Multiple cooking functions, intuitive control, and Ninja's reputation for reliable performance make everyday cooking fast and effortless. If you're looking for the best combination of capacity, versatility, and value in 2026, the Ninja DoubleStack XL is our top overall recommendation. That wraps up our countdown of the 10 best air fryers in 2026. Whether you're shopping on a budget or looking for a premium all-in-one cooking solution, there's an air fryer here for every kitchen and every lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe to PickNest, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest product reviews and buying guides. You'll find links to every air fryer featured in this video in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.